Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Tutorials Vista. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video we are going to learn about HTML formatting elements. So HTML formatting elements are designed to display text in special types. If you want to display a special word in a sentence differently, you can use different elements. In today's video, we are going to look which are these elements, what is their importance and how they are used. So guys, we are having 10 different formatting styles. The first one is the bold. If you want to represent your text in bold, we use this B tag. The next one is italic. It is used to represent a technical term, a phrase of different language, or anything that is different from normal. We can represent it in italic. The next is this strong tag. It is used to represent some important text. The next one is this emphasized tag. So this is used to represent emphasized text. It is usually displayed in italic, but the use of emphasized and italic is different, same as the use of strong and bold is different. We use both of these in different terms, but the representation of bold and strong is same and the italic and emphasized is same. The next is the small. It is used to represent smaller text. The text which you are going to place in this small tag, it will be displayed in smaller text. So the next is this mark. So it is used to represent the text that should be marked or highlighted. If you want to represent any text that should be highlighted, it should be represented in mark tag. The next is this del. It is used to define the text that has been deleted from the document. So the text with the strike line is displayed when you use this del tag. The next is this insert. So insert is similar, or you can say that, so insert is the opposite of delete tag. So insert is used to define the tag that has been inserted in the document. So text which is written in the insert tag, it is represented with an underline. So subscript is used to represent subscript text. So half of the text is below the normal line. So the text that you will write in this subscript tag, it will be below the normal line. And the superscript is opposite of the subscript. The text that you will write in this superscript is going to be half above the normal line. So guys, this is how these formatting styles are used. So now let us see how these formatting styles are represented. So for your convenience, I have already saved this file. So now let us see how this bold, or firstly let me write whole of. So guys, here I have written these 8 tags. First is the bold, next is italic, strong, emphasized, small text, highlighted text, deleted text, or inserted text. So now let us see how these are going to be represented in browser. So let us open our browser. So guys, we are also going to use break tag over here, so that every tag will be represented in the next line. So I have used breaks over here. Now let us save this file and we are going to view it in browser. So I'm going to refresh this. So guys, this is how we can format our text in different styles. The first is the bold. As you can see, bold text and strong text are same in representation, and italic and emphasize are same in representation, but their usage is different. We use these tags in different situations, in different places. Like emphasize text is the text on which you put some emphasis, or and the italic text is used to represent a technical term or a phrase of different language. So usage of both of these are different. Same, the usage of bold and strong is different. The next is the small text. As you can see, the size of this small text is different from these all. Next is the highlighted text. As you can see, the background of this is yellow. So this is highlighted. The next is the deleted text. As you can see, there is a strike line over here. Next is the inserted text. As you can see, it is represented in an underline. So guys, these are our 8 formatting style. The next two I'm going to write here. So first was the subscript. So subscript, we can use it in basic chemical formulas. So I'm going to write the chemical formula of water, so you can see how it is represented. So let us save this file and view it in browser. So guys, as you can see, this 2 is little below the normal line. So this is how your subscript is used. The next I'm going to give over here a break tag. So after this we are going to use the superscript. So you can use this superscript to write the powers or powers in mathematics. So here I'm going to show you 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8. So let us save this file and view it in browser. So as you can see, the 3 over here is little above the normal line. So guys, these are all formatting styles. I hope the concepts of today are clear to everybody. So guys, please subscribe to our channel Tutorials Vista, like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and click on the bell icon so that you can get the latest notifications of our videos. Thank you.